How to change font size on cake. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change font size on cake. Now this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your cake account, just like I've done here. And then once you are logged in, the next step is move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. So once on your profiles page, the next thing to do is to scroll down and move to chat settings. Chat settings page, you can see different options like save, search, enter key, send, chat bubble color, or to download videos. You would see that you would not see an option for you to change font size. This is because Kik does not offer a inbuilt feature to change the font size within the app. What you can do is to change the font size of your Android device by making use of the font settings. So once you've done that, it will also affect the font size on Cake, but you cannot change your font size directly on the Cake application. There is no feature, there is no option for that. So that is it. All right. Thank you for watching and have a good day.